Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Greetings from Africa. You are welcome to the Easy More Show. May Amadioha bless you people. Wakanda forever. Wakanda Izula. Hey, Iguala Iguala. Amadioha, I have so much story to tell you. Did you know that since you were gone, Smoke Doctor was arrested? Now wow. They turn him to small nurse. It is where. Oh yes. You are welcome to the Easy Motion. Amo collegium. It is not amo. It is amo. Collegium. Those of you that have corrupt mind. That's why I have to make it very, very clear for you to know. Today, I'm selectively going to do political news because I don't want to talk about anything that has to do with all those small boys like the small doctor. That's the. But now he has been freed. He has developed small something for the people. They are our men in black. No problem. Let us move ahead. Ewo. Nah, I miss you. I would have kissed you now, but you know you are a man and I cannot do man. I do woman. So let's not kiss, yes. Okay. Let us move to today's news. Brownie. Show me the news.
EFCC arrests Lebanese with 2 million cash at Abuja airport.
I would say it the way Raf Mayor said it. Let us go to the blame taker, which is Buhari, because it's his fault. There is nobody that you can point that it is because of you, this idiot, this Lebanese egot, want to thief. Is it thief money or Rwanda money? It's Rwanda money, but I don't know. I thought it's only cloth they used to do laundry for. They also laundry money. And you want to launder money out of this country. This country that you are still the small one that is inside here. It has no leisures. You want to carry the small one we have inside here and go outside. Thunder will fire you. It's good that they have cashed you. All these Lebanese people, they will come here and be doing oga for all of us here. That is how when I was still a young boy, I was working in one factory. Well, I wanted to kill one of them. If you see the pillar, very concrete, that he said I should use stretch hammer to break. I knock this thing. I wanted to die. But God saved him more. Because as the whole company were closing, it was just me and him. I was still knocking the pillar. I said, if that last person get out of the gate, this stretch hammer is going somewhere else. I'm going to hit him on his head. These people, they are very stingy. They are very greedy. Now they want to call it. Buhari, you see your fault. Nothing good comes out from you. But this one, you have put us in poverty. Somebody wants this poverty that we are managing. Somebody wants to take out of it. It's good that they have left him. But the only problem there, the money now, Otafwele, EFCC. We have recovering money. We are not seeing anything. I don't know if you are recovering it for that one to travel out, to use it for all express paid sleep. Mom, this country, or nah, no problem. Let us move to another news because, but let me use this opportunity to tell you people, if you know any Lebanese person, let us move to another news because I cannot come and kill myself. And you go, 1,000 watts. That is what I'm saying here. I don't have incantation. Show me the news because
I cannot take responsibility for Chibok girls' abduction, Jonathan.
Look at his big nose. Sometimes I wonder if your name is Goodluck Nosa. Because your nose, now what? You cannot take the blame. You are not the blame taker. The blame taker will know. We don't know what to praise you because you were chopping money and things were going fine. At least though, it's not like it was fine like that. But for you not to take the responsibility, you are the president when they thief the Chibok girls. You were the president, so it is your duty. Hi. You see, every episode, Ishimo horn always remove because Ishimo now is having headache. Because the problem in this country, now that elephant I ate is disturbing me. As I was saying, the problem of this country is too much. We know that even when Goodluck Jonathan and Ross, people were saying, what did this even do? He accepted it so that the peace will learn. The little thing was he was tired of the headache that Nigeria has. He just Kukuma say, thank God, let's make go. Look at when he did this book rush. Look at how it has chopped up. It was looking like Jerry Momodu. He has swollen up. It's good, but it is still your fault that they stole the cheaper gas. Even though we know that it was those other people that sponsored the steering. Because we know these cheaper gas, they has been releasing them one by one, like how they release on bed, slowly, one by one. No problem. Good luck. I have nothing against Goodluck. How is that your illiterate wife? Hope she cannot speak good English now. That there is no hope for that one. It's good. You rover all the same. No problem. Let's move to another news. Ishima, Amadeo, I miss you. I miss you. That is how that one from Anambra came to thief you. But we really covered you. That is when they will know that we have power. Because, run.
Buhari reacts to rumor of being cloned, says it's real me.
Evo, the crown have been crowned. I always say this thing, but look at this one. Because as it is like this, even the crowned one and the uncrowned one.
Yes, Samuel. Yes, Samuel. See, I have come to your shrine to commit suicide.
Yeah, what is this drunkard doing here?
Yes, Samuel. It is finished in this country. My people, look at problem. They have been ruled by a Sudanese, SMO.
Yeah, is it the apple you want to drink?
I want to drink this thing. SMO, you are going to follow me to drink this thing. So that we just end it.
Thunder is going to slag somebody. It will divert from where it's going to Buhari to come to you.
You mean Jubril?
Drink your apple, right?
You mean Jubril? You are still calling that one in Aso Rock, Buhari? Did you see the facts that is glaring before you? You did not see it.
I didn't see it.
The SMO, we need to change you, or you change your goals. Because every time you will be shouting Jesus, Jesus, I begin to wonder if your true calling is to be a prophet. But you are confused. Your destiny is confused. How can an SMO not see the vision that man that you have been insulting for how many years is somebody else?
I saw the vision. I have been telling these people, but they refuse. I saw the vision, but
SMO, you did not see anything.
Yeah, is it a vision?
SMO, look.
I'll talk my vision again. When you are a drunkard, carry on.
The SMO,
carry on.
You were stating your opinions about Nnamdi Kanu, but you did not see the fact in what he is saying. If that thing in Aso Rock is Buhari, let him remove his cap for us and show us. There's one thing I noticed, SMO. You know, before that Fulani man Buhari went for surgery, white hair was growing out of his ear. SMO, have you seen this man's ear? This new one. The old Buhari was looking like an ancestor. All his face was squeezed. All his skin has fermented. Look at this one. SMO, something is up. It's not natural. I cannot stand it anymore. That is Sudanese. A Nama, a cow is ruling us. I will drink this hypo and I will die.
Yeah, no, Chere. Don't drink this thing and die. And there is nothing here. As you are going, maybe when you are like 2 kilometers away, 2 kilometers for Nigerian police will still come here. Just go far. Just go away from this area. Just go to another town and drink this thing.
See, if you don't do something about this issue as well, if I drink this thing and die, my spirit will come back to haunt you. Where is the money you're owing me? I need to go and drink Tombo. Let me drink something. Let me know I'm taking something.
Shebi, when we went to Anambra to recover the ghost, I took pay for your transport now.
Biazemo, Inayala, are you gradually running mad? Did we go there to recover? Is it not your thing we went to recover?
When I paid your transportation, the remaining one, you said I should vote for Kefruf, the house of image of the face.
Who is that?
Something like that.
Is that the name of a suite? Biazemo, don't play this play with me. In fact, I'm not. See, I would hold this hypo until you pay me. If you don't pay me my money, I will not drink this hypo.
Drink it.
No,
you can drink it here now.
The next time I come back, have my money ready for me. Nonsense.
Hi. Look at the problem this drunkard came here to. He just came to disrupt the show. Nabiko Sally, I am not owing him money. I have given him the money, but his drunk excesses do not make him to remember. You know when you see drunkard like this, Ambali and Jubilali, it's Jubuali or Jubli. I don't know, I'm even confused myself. But what is this drunkard they said here? It's true. The Buhari that before, he has a strong face. He's very dry like a tutok. He has a dry face like that. But now his face has worn up. Hi! Now wow. Not people will not see in this country again. But it's like Nnamdi Kanu was saying it. I don't want to say light. But he was saying it. And look at it now. Nnamdi Kanu, I use this opportunity to apologize to you. Let me end it there. What are you expecting me to say? Rakipre. This new Jubuari or Jubilee, or I don't know, we turn Nigeria to Federal Nigerian Republic of Sudan. Like Rakipre. Hi. Now wow. You see, I Nagbo, come and take me out of here because please, this is the time is now. If it is not now, Rita is too late. Hi. But Chile got to know. If this is our original Bali has died, which is their player, and they brought a crowned one. Me Osibanjo that is a pastor, can't he come outside and say the truth? Even to Numbu. Hi! You cannot even fear God anymore. Even our politicians don't fear God before self. What am I saying? They don't fear God. It is, I would have said it is well, it is not well. Because even the crowned one, the poverty rate increased. Now wow. Hi. But I just want to use this opportunity to say this thing. If everybody, like now, they have brought crowned one. This crowned one, we are not going to allow it to win. No? As you are going for an interview and they will ask you, how many years experience do you have? That is how all these presidential candidates will be asking them, how many years experience do you have? Not that you will just go and buy form and say you want to run for presidency. What rubbish? Like if you come with interview, like Obama can come and run Nigeria because he has experience for him to know that you America. Let me even use it to advise all these other presidential candidates. Ferraduyo Dulotoye and Sowole. Don't be shouting, take it back. Don't be shouting, don't vote for clone. Don't vote for clone. Before you know, one of you will become president. Atiku, this advice is not for you. You are not going to articulate anything. You are going to articulate downwards. That is the only articulation you are going to do. or better still, go and ejaculate. Nonsense. Yeah, let us move to another news because, hey, Ishima, you see what I've been facing? You when they kidnap you, you were enjoying. Show me the news because.
APC rep says lawmakers collecting signatures to impeach Osinbajo.
Hey! Oh, lo. After the crown, they want to impeach. But these people, they don't have sense. Can't you impeach Bujubri? Sorry, I don't know why I'm calling him, but maybe that is what he is. He should have impeached that one. It's your Osinbajo that is making this one administration not have become more terrible that he is now. Oh, Chelego don't know. You people have known that this one is crown. And if we, the masses, which we have known, if not some of them that have not known, that this is crown, that means Osinbajo will become the president. Hey! These people have sense, oh. Hey! Now what? It's no problem. It's no problem. Impeach him. Impeach him. I'm speechless. Because this country now, nothing goes. It is always zigzag. You will reap what to do that is the lies. Be doing the wrong thing. Like shop wrong. I don't know. No problem. Hi. But it's no problem too. Even if it is a problem to Osinbajo. It's not a problem to us. It's good. Better go back to church and be doing your pastoral duty. Before you know now, you too will build biggest church auditorium. It's none of my business. That one, you under the fleece, we settle it one corner. I don't know. It's good because as it is now. But it is not when they impeach you, we will not see the high. We go suffer. Oh, hi, Bujubli. Hey, God, we commit ourselves unto your hands. Even though that those ones that have not committed before, we commit them on their behalf. Please, help us. Hi. Mishimo, Chile, don't shout. You can't help this help. It's a long one. Show me the news. This country don't tire me.
Two powerful people are frustrating my husband's government, Aisha Buhari cries out.
Did I hear that thing correctly? So, Buhari is not the most powerful person in Nigeria. Hey! Ewo! Another point where Aisha Buhari is wrong. The people that are hindering the progress of Nigeria, they are not two, they are three. Your husband is the third person. But is it now that you are going to tell us that there are two people that are hindering the progress of your Jubilee's administration? Now that election have reached finish. Aisha Buhari, when I first of all heard it, I thought he was not going to set performance in the other room. But which we know that Buhari cannot perform well. I mean, he's an SS. You don't know his genotype. That is why all those fry is different doctor is going to visit from there. And again, if those two people, they are very, very powerful, and he's the president, and you don't want to mention their name, Aisha, without due respect, you don't have sense. You don't have sense. This is why your husband tell you belong to the other room. Don't come here and be opening your mouth to talk. Your mouth is supposed to only open when Buhari something is coming. You come here telling us atom nonsense. This is nonsense. If you want us now to go and be doing research to find the two powerful people that is handling your they are not even handling your husband's sources. They are handling the failure, not to fail more than it has failed. What rubbish? Look at your family now. Look at it. Which one gets better head? Is it not fair? Or is those two powerful people? Before you know now, Aisha Buhari will run to church. Pastor, Jeremiah, Bushiri, that one will chop your money. It's not your money. It will chop Nigeria's money, our money. Aisha, behave yourself. You know, since all this time, your husband has been fucking up. I did not mention your name. I did not talk to you. Now you want to come out and talk. Aisha, what is your work, Seth? It's just coming to my knowledge how jobless you are. Because that time of that illiterate one, at least she was minister of rafter. She will come, she will throw bomb, we will rough. She too, she is even happy. Even it was making us not to see that her husband is chopping money. We were blind because when we rough, as we are rough, we will close our eyes. Jonathan will carry money and pass. We would not know. But things were still moving forward because the money was distributing properly. But you, in the enemy of bloodless family, nothing is growing at all. Nothing. Not worry, your pecan, we are waiting. We are waiting patiently. Please buy him another power bag that will move like 280 per minute. Aisha Buhari, shut up. Let me just land it up like that. Bicho Nugi, don't come out and talk. Let's move to the other news. Akalamonto. Show me the news.
You must produce Alice Madueke in 72 hours, court orders EFCC and DSS.
Which court is it? Is it lawn tennis court or table tennis court or badminton court? Or is it basketball court? Excuse me. The trunk of the elephant is they want to tell me or tell us, we Nigerians, that they don't know what the Desiani is. Desiani is in the UK. I'm very sure they know it's the house address in the UK. Even though she is facing one thing or the other there in the, I don't know what is it, but she is facing something there. I think it is going to be like what James Iboli faced there. You now want to extract her back to Nigeria. Now, look at it. If you extract her now, recover the money, where will the money go to? That is my anger there. I don't have problem. She's not my family member. Rock her up for all I care. The money is my problem. What do you use the money to do? You catch this one. You got money back. Where is the money? Abacha's road fund. That one we do not even select ourselves. Switzerland. Say, Bia, Nigeria, we know you are suffering. Take your money where Abacha blame come here. Very correct time. Say, you go share them. Till today, we have not seen anything. As soon as we saw that money, Shebi Kefro would have one face of images. We would have used it to vote for him. Today, as tire boss, I have not seen money to buy tire. Replace the old one. But I am money. Let me not say it before VIO will come to look for somebody. But the money would have been here. They just the correct money. They are recovering fund. Recover. The country is not recovering. Go and arrest Desiani now. But please, after you arrest Desiani, come back home. Don't go far. Tinubu is here. Jagaban, arrest him. Amechi too is there. Thank God, I even heard. Oh. You say what? Yeah, show it to us. Yo. Look at it. Why you say have accident? Because they refuse to arrest him. They arrest him small. They say, you can go. You have paid 10 million out of the 15 billion that you stole. You can look at it. These people, I'm very sure when they arrested Desiani, that fine woman that I wish I can be a sugar boy. Waste of sugar mommy. After they arrest her now, they recover money. Maybe she have thief like 150 billion naira or dollars. They will not say, okay, pay 10 billion and you can go free. Is this one country? Is no, tell me, is this country? Eh? I don't know. Arrest her. Oh. No problem. Recover. But please let us see something that the money is being using to, they are using to work somewhere. Let us see something. If it is school, build. If it is good load, build. If it is good hospital, build. If it's to dash me, dash. Look at now. All the Yahoo boys. And everybody is learning mad, learning mad. It is not, if it's not political erection ritualist people, it is Yahoo boys ritualist people. Nobody is coming to Ezemo again. I for done bro now. And this is my season that people will be visiting me for me to do small charm for them. But they know because I fear God. I cannot kill anybody. I'm a true worshipper Christian of. Don't worry. Let us move to another news. But the journey, let me before I move. Thunder will fire you. For you to thief money, instead of you to spend it here, you went there to be spending it. That is, I don't know why politicians are like this. You thief money, stay here, chop the money, let the money through. Create a job. That is how that idiot went to build big church, say he create a job. He built the church finished now, no work again. Hi. Nagbo, please, don't forget my message. Come and take me out of here. Please. I am not afraid though. I just want to live here. Let fresh breeze. Speaking of breeze, you say you are going to buy fan or AC. I am not going to call your name. But the thunder that will fire you will rocket you. I know, Pam. Let me enjoy my sweat small. Show me the news.
Buhari departs Abuja for Poland.
Okay, Mute. You don't mean it. Have you people noticed that the only time Buhari is always smiling is when he's leaving this country? The way he will now wave his hand. Oh, I wish we have sniper. That hand. How? Let's even wave the hand. Let's come to this side. Just. Did you hear that thing? Hey, hope they are not coming to arrest us. If we are not afraid, sir. But that is sniper. That is just pure. Like those movies that we used to watch. Let us just start his ride for him in FIR. Because this one is living has ended here. It's his entire life. Now you leave Nigeria to go to Poland. The other day, you say you want to do meeting to fight the Boko Haram. Now you call meeting, you dey go another person's house, go do meeting. In our back then, in my family, actually, hey, this elephant, hey. Back then, in our family, when we say, my papa say, people come for meeting, oh, my papa does not go to their house. It is them that will come to our house for the meeting. Ah yes, we will buy Koranot. But you call meeting, now you dey travel go, and now you call the meeting. Now they call you for the meeting, or now you call, you are, hey! Buhari does not have sense. Sorry, point of collection. Jubilee does not have sense. It's like when they close, oh no, even the original one does not have sense. I would have said they should have removed sense and put, nothing to put. It was not empty. Empty but thin. Oh. I don't know, it's like we in Nigeria, the masses, we are not praying hard enough. That all this travel, one of them, he would have just, let us play harder for it to happen. Together, we are powerful. You come here waving your hand. Who are you waving to? I wave you adieu, Papa. If you are, that is the one I will wave to you. Adieu, Papa Jubilee. I did not mention somebody's name. Oh. It is the crown. I did not mention the original one. Go to. Sometimes I wonder, Which other animal fry apart from Buhari or Jubilee? We don't know. Buhari reef operant, and we are still here. If we go, where did him go for self? It does not have head. If we just go, if we go empty-handed, if we come back empty-handed, like that one that said they should empower him, go empty-handed, come back empty-handed, we will now look at him and say, look at him, useless man, idiot. You go empty-handed, come empty-handed. You don't have, no, this one. Oh. Please let us use this opportunity to mourn George Bush. We heard that he died. 1 minute silence, because no need. The one that you want to do 1 minute silence for refused to go. He refused to go. He'll be going for Poland, coming back to let him just go and go from there. Of all the countries that they crown this idiot from, it's Sudan. So even Sudan in our language, in the Abaris realm, is Sudan. When you come to me, they tell you, oh, Sudan. That is to Sudan. The country, no, it's useless. Don't open your mouth there wherever you are watching. It is useless. Go and tell anybody. I said so. I'm not afraid of anybody. I did not fear Obasanjo, that monkey. I did not fear that other one, the one that the small money making fine, Jagaban. I did not fear Oshomore, the ugliest of them all. It's the Sudan. Yeah, please. It's like all of us, we need to combine and play together with our Ishima. Everybody bring your juju. All those ones that they don't serve any god, they serve their bomb and their fake bless. Toke Makenwa, Messi Ayegbe. Bring it, let us put everything together and swear for Buhari. If the suffer never touch you, it has touched Peter Odoche. It has touched everybody. So it touched one man. They say it has been bedleading for quite some time now. Go to Poland. That is how because oh lo Kefro showed you the thank you. Now look at it now. Your sister, Aisha, your wife's sister is a hand there for inside flood. You will not come here to face your family matter. Even if you see this is what we are saying. Somebody that cannot handle control his own family matter, his Nigeria matter, you want to control. Hi. We are doomed. Hi. Even somebody that is saying we want to be on our own, is not even here. To tell you that is how deep we are doomed. The person wants somebody somewhere else to stay, because if he stay here, now die he day. That's why I am calling on you. Unagbo, hear my cry. Hear my cry. Come and take me from here. Hi. That is today's news. Thank you. No problem. I am not crying. No. I can't cry. I'm a strong man. Let me tell you a did you know fact. Did you know that in 1958, me too, I do not know what happened that time. I don't know. You can use Google and research. Just search 1958 and find. I don't know. A word of advice. I just want to advise some of you. Those of you that by mistake, because it is not with your correct conscience, that you want to vote for APC again or PDP. Even Tinubu is refusing to campaign for that Jubilee, the crowned one. So if you, that you are a nobody, I did not mean nobody, but you are not in the political party, or you are not a politician, you want to go and vote for the crowned one. My brother, it's you that will die. Oh. As you are putting that thing to vote, your hand will go there. And this is how it will be forever. So now we just like you die. Please, let us vote wisely. And I am not saying go and vote for Take It Back or go and vote for the Riot. Vote for anybody you want to vote for. But don't vote for PDP or APC. That is my advice to you. It is very crucial. I am telling you now not to vote for PDP or APC. In fact, don't vote for anything that has P or A or C inside. I don't know if Sowore has A in his own. Thank you. Enagbo.